Welcome to this tutorial on Trust Wallet Fingerprint Login. Trust Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various digital assets. One of its key security features is Fingerprint Login, which provides an additional layer of protection for users. To start using Fingerprint Login, you need to have a compatible device with a fingerprint sensor. This feature is available on both Android and iOS devices. First, open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Security section and select Fingerprint Login. You will be prompted to scan your fingerprint, which will be used to authenticate your identity. The fingerprint login process involves scanning your fingerprint and matching it with the one stored on your device. If the two fingerprints match, you will be granted access to your Trust Wallet account. This feature is particularly useful for users who have trouble remembering complex passwords or want an extra layer of security. To set up Fingerprint Login, go to your device settings and enable the fingerprint sensor. Then, open the Trust Wallet app and follow the in-app instructions to register your fingerprint. You may be asked to scan your fingerprint multiple times to ensure accuracy. Best practices for using Fingerprint Login include keeping your device and fingerprint sensor clean, avoiding sharing your device with others, and regularly updating your device's operating system. It is also essential to have a backup plan in case your fingerprint is not recognized, such as a password or PIN. In conclusion, Trust Wallet Fingerprint Login is a secure and convenient way to access your cryptocurrency wallet. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy an additional layer of protection and peace of mind when managing your digital assets. Remember to always prioritize security and take necessary precautions to safeguard your account.